Welcome everyone to the pilot episode of Stillriver Software Solutions. Today we are going to show you how to use what we call information dense keywords. Now this package came about because we began to notice that there are some inconsistencies between the various AI coding agents that are out in the market. And we wanted to have consistency between what we're asking and how we want the AI assistant to respond. In this case, we wanted to have information from Claude as well as Gemini to be consistent. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you. Should have this prepared, but I didn't. As you can see, we have. I'm going to start Claude, and inside of Claude, I'm just going to ask. I'll make this a little bigger. Instance. Do you understand IDKs, which are information dense keywords? Let's just see what Claude says. And again, we want to know um, if it just understands. As you can see, it went ahead and looked to see how it was integrated. Now, I wanted to output the keywords that it understands. This way, we have an understanding that, hey, Claude, you understand it. Then next, I'll open up Gemini and see. And what we did was we went with some core foundational terms, things like select, delete, fix. Those that are engineers understand that from SQL, for instance. You have select, create, and delete. And as you can see, we have just some generic development terms, documentation terms, QA terms, things around workflows, as well as Git. Okay, now that we know that Claude understands it, let's see if Gemini understands it. So I'm going to close out Claude, and I'm going to start a Gemini instance, Gemini CLI. And now that I have Gemini up and running, I'll ask it, do you understand IDKs? And again, I just want to make sure that both Claude and Gemini are using the same terms. And for any other AI tools or agents that I have in my local or in my development workflows, the intent here is, hey, share similar terminology. Like, as you can see, Gemini was a little bit more verbose in its response, but it understands it. And I'm going to ask it the same thing I asked Gemini. What keywords do you understand? And previously we saw that Claude outputted, select, delete, document, things of that nature. And as you can see here, Gemini did the same thing. And again, our intent here is really to demonstrate, hey, how do we have the same terminology that's consistent across AI tools? And that's the intent of information dense keywords. Now, this is a public repository, it's available for folks to go and grab and extend. I'm looking for collaboration. So if you're interested in expanding the dictionary, come on over. Visit stillriver.net, or I'm sorry, stillriver.info for more information about Stillriver and its various packages. Thank you.